These coconut macarons are absolutely delicious and they come together with just a few ingredients. They are great for snacking and you can even also serve this at your parties. Let me show you how to make it. So into a bowl, you're going to measure up some desiccated coconut. You can find these at the baking aisle of any supermarket. You're going to add in a pinch of salt and then go in with some condensed milk. I'll leave the full ingredient list for you in the description box, and then we're going to mix this together. Okay, so once you're done mixing and the mixture looks like this, you're going to get a tablespoon and then gently press the mixture into the tablespoon until it is full, just like shown in the video. And at this point, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit because we're going to be baking this. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to get your baking sheet lined with parchment paper and then gently take out the mixture from the tablespoon just like shown in the video. And we're going to repeat this process again for the rest of the mixture. So lightly pressing the mixture into the tablespoon and then gently take it out with your fingers. So if there's a dent where you took it out with your finger, you can just slightly press it down together or add in more mixture to cover the dent up. Okay, so once you've exhausted the mixture, you're going to transfer this into your oven and bake for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what they look like fresh out of the oven. We're going to allow this to cool down for a bit before going on to the next step. Okay, while that is cooling down, we're going to move on to the next step, which is melting some dark chocolate. We are going to break this apart and then microwave this for just 1 minute. Now, while microwaving this, we want to be very careful not to overheat it. If not, the chocolate is going to burn. So you're just going to microwave this for 1 minute, bring it out, and then the residual heat is going to melt up the rest of the chocolate. And this is what it will look like. Okay, now on to the next and final step. So we're going to dunk in the bottom part of the macarons into the melted chocolate and then lay it back on the parchment paper. So if you're still watching up until this point, thank you, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't. And that's it. Now we're going to allow this to cool down and solidify, and after it has solidified, this is what it looks like. And you just made yourself a very easy and delicious snack that I'm sure everyone is going to enjoy. If you tried this recipe, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll definitely come your way again with another wonderful recipe.